So today it's raft building. I'm gonna divide the group into 7 teams in a minute, and each of the 7 teams will build a raft which we will put on the water, of course, later on, and have a little race. Okay guys, start building your raft right now.
We don't know where to put this.
I have the rest of the pencils.
Everybody ready? Set, go! Yvonne told me you're a competitive company.
Yeah, much better. Perfect. Yeah, much better. Much better. Not a single drop. Much better.
Nice day! Yay!
Fraught with danger and excitement.
That was the greatest experience ever.
In the end, there can only be one winner of this amazing trophy. Team Titanic, where are you?